Hi guys, I'm up this morning about to make the kids some sausage, eggs, biscuits, and cheese. They had wanted a sandwich, sausage, eggs, and cheese sandwich. Alright. Okay guys, it's almost done. I'm making it and it's almost done. Yes, the biscuits is right here. I'm almost done. The biscuits right there. Then I took two out. I'm almost finished. I'm cooking on my grill that my daughter bought me. Yes. It's finally done. I'm about to plate it. Okay guys, I'm finished. Finished breakfast. There's a little biscuit, eggs, and sausage and cheese. Yum, yum, yum.